Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if there is a charger inside of TECLAST T60 box. Let's open it and see if it comes with a charger. So I'm gonna lift the top lid first, and the first thing we see inside is the tablet. So let's take it out, and under the tablet we have this little window in which we can find user manual, warranty rules, SIM card tray opener, a charging brick like this one, which has 20 watts, and USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's all inside of the box of TECLAST T60. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.